In this video, we will show you how to adjust the language setting on your vívomove Trend Hybrid smartwatch. You can use these steps if your device is in the wrong language. Start by tapping the display to wake the device. Then press and hold the display to access the menu. Select the gear icon in the bottom right to access settings. Then scroll down and select the last option in the list. You will see a gear icon. This is the system settings. Then scroll down and select the fourth option in the list. This is the language setting. If you accidentally select the wrong option, you can swipe from left to right to return to the previous screen. Once in the language menu, scroll through and select your preferred language. And that's it. You can now change the language setting on your vívomove Trend. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.